you going?
I'm going to pick you up.
Hey, Sissy, I have another surprise.
What is it?
You want to see it? Come here. Sit down. Let me show you your surprise.
What is it? Ta-da!
It's a surprise in my bag.
Okay.
I found it.
You found the bag. What is it? Open it, open it, open it.
You ready?
Yeah, open it, open it. Open it, open it. What? Whoa.
You ready?
Can I get it out? Oh. Ta-da! Oh my! What is it?
My goodness, Allison. It's a beautiful princess dress for your Halloween costume.
Can I put it on?
Yes.
I can put it on for Halloween. Thank you, Mom. Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mom.
There we go. Oh my goodness, you're going to be such a pretty princess.
Good job, Mommy. Happy Halloween.
I have some more stuff.
Whoa. I feel like I'm a princess.
Yes, you're such a pretty princess.
At the show.
I have some more.
Whoa.
Look.
What is it? Wow. That makes you strong and happy. It makes you really strong.
Let me see.
A princess wand! And a wish. And I'm going to turn you into a frog.
Turn me into a frog.
Yeah. Wish.
Ribbit.
You're funny. I'm going to turn you into Mommy.
Hey, Sissy. I'm Mommy.
Hi. Hi.
Wait a minute.
It's a wall. It's a wall.
Wait just a minute, Allison.
Whoosh. Huh? I'm happy. What is it?
I have some more.
Wow.
Ah,
Zoe. Oh, Zoe. Thank you.
there.
Thanks.
Allison, you're such a pretty princess.
I'm going to grow up.
Yes. Allison,
Okay.
wait just a minute. Don't go away.
I'm going to
Allison, look what else.
what I found. What do you found, Mom? What do you found? Whoosh. 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 Rainbow. It's a wheel. It's a wheel Halloween. It's a wheel Halloween night. Trick or treat. And
I have more stuff.
and you say trick or treat. Smile on your feet, give me something good to eat. You're going to be a tooth fairy.
I have some more stuff.
You're going to be a tooth fairy. And I'm going to wish.
I have surprises.
Up to you.
I have surprises.
And down you. Up you and down you. Okay. I'm growing up. Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow! It's a pretty princess. Can you open this for me?
I have surprises.
Wow!
Oh, look at this.
What is it, Mommy? Oh my, oh my, oh my, thank you. I'm going to turn it into magic. I'm going to magic. Whoosh,
Whoosh.
whoosh,
Whoosh. Yes.
I can go trick-or-treating.
Yes.
Let's go trick-or-treating.
Hey, Allison.
What's this pumpkin? Come, can we go to pumpkin patch? Can we go to the pumpkin patch? Oh, it's pumpkin patch. Oh, wow. Open it. This is. Can you open this for me? Check it. I'll check it. Magic. No. That's not silly. It's magic. It's just magic, and I'm gonna turn it into one.
I have more stuff.
Gotcha.
I have. Gosh, look what else I have in here.
I got you. I turned into a net. It turned into a
I have more stuff in here.
Oh, wow. Mommy, can you open this for me?
Yes. Look, I got more stuff,
It's
Allison.
Halloween at night. It's a...
Allison.
Ooh. Okay. Open it.
No.
That's silly. Let's go in a pumpkin patch.
Allison, I have some more.
Good.
Allison.
Whoa, a plate. A magic plate. Push. Gotcha. It was on your towel.
I have some more.
Catcher. I want a surprise, Mommy. Mommy, open. Chip, ching, ching.
Bless you.
Thank you. I'm going to turn you into Mom.
I have.
Whoa,
Allison.
Mommy. That was huge, Mommy. Come on. I'm a princess. You're the king, and I'm the queen. You're the king, princess. You're the fairy, Mommy. Are you the fairy, Mom? Let's go trick-or-treating in a pumpkin patch.
I have some more stuff in my bag. Allison.
Wow. Car.
All done?
Yeah. No. All done. No. All done. No, all done. Just a prize. And I'm gonna be.
Let's put this over here, okay?
I don't want it over here. I don't want that.
I have some prizes. Allison.
Gotcha.
All done.
No, all done. I don't want all done. I want a surprise.
Ready?
Ready, surprise.
princess.
Can I go to the pumpkin patch? I'll hold the pumpkin, okay? There's the pumpkin. You're at the pumpkin patch.
Thank you.
You're at the pumpkin patch.
We did it together. We did. We made you a princess.
You made me a princess. Let's show. I'm our snowman.
Let's go look in the mirror.
Yeah.
Come on.
Can I see my pumpkin and my and on a pumpkin patch?
Yes.
You go on a pumpkin
Come
patch
on.
and I'll go on a pumpkin patch. It's a pumpkin patch at Halloween night time. It's Halloween night time.
Yes, it is.
It's Halloween time. It's for Halloween. We're landing. It's snowman. Can you hold it? Can you hold the snowman and the pumpkin?
Yes.
And you go at Halloween night and Christmas
Yes.
Day.